Power button. The first step, press and hold the power button 3 seconds until startup. When the device is powered on, press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to turn off the device. The second step was the power on. Press and hold the power button. When the sleep icon appears on the display, release the button to enter the hibernate state. The third step, short press the power button. The device can be awakened when the device is on and awake. Short press the power button. Thermal imaging shutter switches to perform image calibration. The fourth step in the power on state. After enabling the rangefinder, short press the power button. Locked range finding is available.
Left navigation key.
The first step, short press the left navigation button. Cycle through 5 thermal imaging color palettes. The second step, press and hold the left navigation button. The visible light module enters full light mode. Switch between natural mode and night vision mode.
Right navigation key.
The first step, short press on the left navigation button. You can turn on the ranging function. Press and hold again, you can turn off that function. The second step, short press the right navigation button. You can switch the magnetization state. Perform amplified loop switching operations separately.
Menu key.
The first step, press and hold the menu key. You can open the menu. Press and hold the menu key again. The menu can be closed. The second step, short press on the menu key. You can perform mode cycling.
Photo, video button.
The first step, long press the photo and video button. You can turn on video recording. Press and hold again, you can turn off the video recording. The second step, short press the photo and video button. You can take photos.